GPT-4 is incredibly advanced and sophisticated. It understands images and can express, for example, it can tell us that if the strings in this image were cut, the balloons would fly away.
Get ready to dive into the mind-blowing world of GPT-4, the AI marvel here to revolutionize your experience. In this exhilarating video, we unveil the top 10 insider tricks and tips that will unlock the true potential of GPT-4. From mind-bending code generation to tax advice from AI genius, GPT-4 will leave you shocked. Prepare for jaw-dropping revelations, epic fails, and mind-boggling successes as we explore the untapped powers of this cutting-edge language model. Get your seats, grab some popcorn, and join us on this thrilling journey through the AI rabbit hole where the impossible becomes possible with GPT-4. Introducing GPT-4, the latest advancement in ChatGPT. If you're eager to explore GPT-4 but haven't accessed it yet or aren't sure how to navigate to ChatGPT, there are a few key things to remember. Firstly, you need to have ChatGPT Plus to access GPT-4. Without a ChatGPT Plus subscription, GPT-4 won't be available. What makes GPT-4 exciting is that it offers 3 different versions for users with access to it. Let's delve into these versions. 1. Default version of ChatGPT. This version is accessible to ChatGPT Plus subscribers who pay a monthly fee of $20. It stands out for its exceptional speed, nearly double or even triple that of the legacy version. 2. Legacy version. The legacy version represents the free variant of ChatGPT. If you haven't signed up for GPT Pro or GPT Plus, you won't be able to see GPT-4 or the default version of GPT 3.5. Upgrading your subscription unlocks the GPT-4 tab as well as the GPT 3.5 tab. 3. GPT 3.5. It's important to note a crucial distinction with GPT 3.5. Despite being a previous version, it outperforms GPT-4 in speed. With a speed rating of 5, GPT 3.5 is significantly faster than GPT-4, with a speed rating of only 2. Therefore, if your priority is extracting data swiftly from ChatGPT, using the default version of GPT 3.5 is recommended due to its impressive speed. To summarize, GPT-4 is the latest advancement in ChatGPT that offers 3 versions. The default version available to ChatGPT Plus subscribers, the legacy version for free users, and GPT 3.5, which boasts exceptional speed. Considering your specific needs, choosing the appropriate version will enhance your experience with ChatGPT. GPT-4, not as fast as expected, message cap in place. Contrary to expectations, GPT-4 is not as quick as one might assume. It performs at a similar speed to the legacy version of ChatGPT. This is an important point to consider when using GPT-4. Although it is a new version, its speed may not meet the anticipated levels of swiftness. Additionally, it is crucial to be aware that ChatGPT currently imposes a message cap of 100 messages every 4 hours. This limitation is worth noting, especially if you have a substantial project or plan to send a large number of messages. As the platform gradually rolls out, GPT-4 will likely continue to restrict the volume of messages sent within a specific time frame. This suggests that OpenAI aims to control the usage of the platform. Therefore, while GPT-4 brings new capabilities to ChatGPT, such as improved language understanding and generation, it's important to keep in mind its speed limitations and the message cap when utilizing this version. GPT-4 limitations, word count, and image support. When it comes to GPT-4, there are certain limitations to be aware of. Firstly, GPT-4 does not currently allow code prompts with more than 2,000 words. Although initial advertisements suggest otherwise, this feature is reserved for the GPT-4 API. If you have used OpenAI Playground or OpenAI's API before, the future use of GPT-4 for long-form content creation, extended conversations, and document analysis will likely occur through the API. Suppose you want to use GPT-4 to create ebooks or essays. In that case, it's important to note that in its current state, such capabilities are unavailable through ChatGPT. Attempts to submit code prompts with around 2,000 words have resulted in error messages indicating that the submitted message was too long. However, OpenAI has stated that GPT-4 is designed to handle up to 25,000 words of text, enabling use cases involving long-form content creation, extended conversations, and document search analysis. While the functionality is not accessible in ChatGPT, it will likely become available through the GPT-4 API. Although OpenAI has showcased progress in this area regarding image support, it has not been officially released yet. While there are plans to incorporate image support, users will have to wait for its implementation. To stay updated on GPT-4 and its API release, sign up for the GPT-4 API waitlist on the OpenAI website. Once accepted and when the API becomes available, you can utilize GPT-4's capabilities on the playground by switching to the appropriate model. In summary, GPT-4 currently has limitations in terms of word count for code prompts in ChatGPT, with the long-form content creation and extended capabilities expected to be accessible through the GPT-4 API in the future. While image support is being developed, it has not yet been released. GPT-4's impressive coding abilities and examples. GPT-4, particularly ChatGPT, has significantly advanced its coding capabilities. Coders without previous experience can now create mini projects with GPT-4's assistance. For instance, someone tweeted about using GPT-4 to create a Google Chrome extension in just a few hours. GPT-4 guided them through the entire coding process, resolving errors. The extension they built translates web page text into pirate language using the GPT-3 API and the prompt, "Ahoy, matey!" GPT-3 was previously utilized for code generation, but GPT-4 has further improved these capabilities. With GPT-4, users can experiment with creating various projects such as writing code for trading bot or developing an app. GPT-4's ability to generate code has advanced, resulting in fewer errors. It's worth noting that GPT-4, like its predecessors, may not be as fast as the turbo version, but still operates at the standard speed comparable to the legacy version. While GPT-4 excels at code generation, it's essential to be patient with the speed of response, especially if you're accustomed to faster versions. Regarding GPT-4's intelligence, Forbes published an article highlighting how ChatGPT outperformed 90% of lawyers attempting to pass the bar exam. This demonstrates the remarkable capabilities of GPT-4 in understanding complex legal concepts. Moreover, GPT-4's assistance extends beyond coding. It can provide step-by-step tutorials for creating apps or programs, even without coding knowledge. By asking ChatGPT for guidance, it can walk you through the process of building an app, enabling you to develop your software. Examples of GPT-4's accomplishments include creating an iPhone app that recommends movies with trailers and information on where to watch them. Users have reported successful outcomes by leveraging GPT-4's capability. In summary, GPT-4, particularly ChatGPT, exhibits impressive skills in code generation, assisting users in creating various projects. Its advancements in generating code and providing step-by-step guidance make it a valuable resource for experienced and novice coders. Enhanced language capabilities in GPT-4. One notable feature demonstrated in GPT-4 is its improved ability to generate accurate and coherent sentences and paragraphs. In previous versions like GPT 3.5 or even the Turbo version, asking ChatGPT to write a sentence or paragraph about a specific topic, such as AI, often resulted in refusal or incorrect responses. However, GPT-4 showcases significant advancements in this area. For example, when prompted to write a paragraph about AI with all words beginning with the letter A, GPT-4 performs remarkably well, generating a coherent and accurate paragraph. This demonstrates that GPT-4 is significantly smarter and more proficient at producing high-quality natural language outputs. The advancements in GPT-4's language capabilities allow for more precise and contextually accurate responses, making it an impressive natural language model. Users can expect an improved generation of sentences, paragraphs, and overall language understanding when utilizing GPT-4. Enhanced precision and application in GPT-4. GPT-4 demonstrates a significant increase in accuracy and precision compared to previous versions. Its ability to generate coherent and concise responses with precise word choices showcases its advancements. Users who may have found previous versions inaccurate or less reliable can now experience a substantial improvement in the quality of outputs when utilizing GPT-4. Furthermore, GPT-4's capability extend to various domains, including law and taxes. In the OpenAI demo, GPT-4 was able to effectively handle tax-related inquiries and provide accurate tax calculations. This demonstrates its potential to be applied in industries beyond general chat applications. GPT-4's versatility allows it to be tailored for specific domains, such as being a YouTube consultant, healthcare advisor, or even a music consultant. The example of GPT-4 functioning as a tax consultant showcases its proficiency in handling complex math-related questions and providing accurate solutions. This highlights the potential for GPT-4 to excel in various mathematical and analytical tasks. GPT-4's precision, conciseness, and application in specific domains have significantly improved. Users can expect more accurate and tailored responses, making GPT-4 a valuable tool for various industries and tasks, including mathematics, law, and taxes. Unlocking efficiency and effectiveness with GPT-4 in ChatGPT. GPT-4 in ChatGPT offers a range of applications to enhance productivity and efficiency in various tasks. For instance, when faced with challenging emails or unsure how to respond, GPT-4 can provide convincing email drafts, helping users effectively communicate their thoughts. Integrating GPT-4 into daily workflows has proven to make individuals more efficient, delivering results that surpass expectations. Moreover, GPT-4's capabilities extend to assisting with code checking, tax-related tasks, and even guiding legal matters. While it's essential to consult legal professionals for final decisions, GPT-4's knowledge and proficiency in the law can serve as a personal law assistant, offering advice and insights on legal topics. GPT-4's expertise in the field is exemplified by its acceptance into esteemed law schools such as Stanford. Utilizing GPT-4 for code checking, tax assistance, and legal advice can significantly streamline processes and provide valuable support. However, it's important to note that while GPT-4 can advise and assist, it does not possess official qualifications or replace the need for professional expertise. To optimize the usage of GPT-4, it is recommended to craft specific prompts that align with its capabilities. GPT-4 excels in providing precise and tailored responses, so being more specific in prompts can yield more accurate results. The upcoming multimodal function of GPT-4, which will allow the integration of images, promises to unlock even more possibilities. When this feature becomes available through the API or on the OpenAPI playground, users will be able to witness the impressive capabilities of GPT-4 in generating long-form content alongside visual elements. In summary, GPT-4 in ChatGPT is a valuable tool for various tasks, offering efficiency and effectiveness in email drafting, code checking, tax-related matters, and legal advice. By leveraging GPT-4's specific strengths and staying updated on future enhancements, users can harness its capabilities to enhance their productivity and decision-making processes. Get ready to take your productivity to new heights with GPT-4. It's time to embrace the future. Stay tuned for the mind-blowing finale, where we unveil the ultimate GPT-4 hack that will leave you shocked. But that's not all. We're building a community of GPT-4 enthusiasts and want you to be a part of it. Don't forget to hit that like button to show your appreciation, share this video with fellow knowledge seekers, and of course, hit that subscribe button and join our tribe for more cutting-edge insights.